Here at MACC and the Red Light Therapy Spa, they also offer Reflexology, and here with me now is Eliza. Hi.
Hi.
Yes, thank you so much for joining us. Tell us, what is Reflexology?
Reflexology is an ancient art. It's a therapy which is working on a nerve pathways on the hands and on the feet.
Okay, well,
everyone can benefit
nice.
from this, and it's amazing how soothing.
Well, you have a patient here. What are you going to do on her?
I will start to soothe her inflammatory response of the body, and it's first soothing and then it's awaking, so the body will start awake and the circulation it will be increased and the lymphatic system it will start working better, and sleep patterns also, if it's disrupted, we will correct it session by session.
Okay, well, we'd love to see how you do it.
Thank you so much.
Now, I will have to say, a lot of people are having that conversation about the inflammation in the body, and it's kind of amazing that this is an alternative to, a medical option.
It's another way to wake up the body and to eliminate the toxins and to start healing the body, because we have a very intelligent machine.
All right, awesome. Well, thank you so much. We appreciate that.
Welcome. Yes, I invite you to feel that experience also.
Okay, we'll definitely have to put that on the list.
Thank you.